And terrific news as she has been, as Megan said, announced as a special advisor for the WNBL going forward. Room service down low for ball ace. Here's Lockridge, connected with Ernst at the top. Now on the block and denied from Brianna Turner. I want to spoil the party here this afternoon for Adelaide. Dean with a cross around Poch. That was slick.
That certainly was.
Lockridge, the point guard battle continues. 5 seconds. Snatched away from Turner. Takes it herself in the open floor. The Euro and the lay-in on the left. 90 seconds remain on the clock. 79 plays 71. Ernst the post catch and the whistle. Carly Ernst